In this video, I will show you how to verify a Cash App card for Samsung Pay and explain why many users are having trouble adding their Cash App card to Samsung Wallet. So let's get started. First, open the latest version of the Samsung Wallet app on your device. Make sure your profile is fully set up with all necessary information. Once you're in the app, you should see an option to add a payment card. Samsung gives you two ways to do this. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera, which automatically fills in your card details, or you can manually enter your card number, expiration date, and security code. However, here's where most users run into issues. Even after entering all the correct details and ensuring their Cash App card is verified, active, and has sufficient balance, Samsung Wallet often fails to accept it. This happens even though the same Cash App card works perfectly fine with other digital wallets, such as Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Now, you might think about adding your card directly through the Cash App interface. When you open Cash App, go to your card section and tap the three dots, ellipsis, in the top corner. You'll usually see options to add your card to other wallets. Unfortunately, for Samsung Wallet, this option doesn't appear, meaning there's currently no direct integration between Cash App and Samsung Wallet. The main reason behind this issue is that Samsung Wallet has strict policies regarding which financial institutions it supports. It primarily allows cards from traditional banks and major financial providers. Since Cash App is considered a fintech service, not a traditional bank, its cards are not yet recognized or approved by Samsung's payment system. Because of this limitation, as of now, it's not possible to directly add your Cash App card to Samsung Wallet. While this might be disappointing, there is one potential workaround you could try: linking your Cash App card to PayPal. Once your Cash App card is successfully added to your PayPal account, you can then use PayPal as a payment method within Samsung Wallet. However, do keep in mind that this process involves third-party integrations, and not all users may find it straightforward. It may also depend on your region and the specific version of Samsung Wallet you're using. So, to summarize, if your goal is to add your Cash App card directly to Samsung Wallet, the short answer is that it's currently not possible. Samsung Wallet's current system doesn't support cards from services like Cash App. Unless Samsung updates its policies or adds new financial partners in the future, this restriction will likely remain.